I'm Tom from Do It Yourself Home Automation, and this is the uArm from uFactory, now being sold on SparkFun. And it's basically a desktop robotic arm, and it can move through a bunch of different ranges of motion. So what kind of joints does it have, and how can it move? Well, you've got this shoulder joint over here, and this can basically allow it to move through 180 degrees of an arc. And it's basically just a bunch of ball bearings, kind of hard to see here, but ball bearings in that joint, so it's got a very smooth motion, and it's being turned by one digital servo down there. Then you've got basically this elbow joint going along here, and it's kind of extending up to the top here. But basically this allows it to reach all the way out. See how that looks. And that's being controlled by these digital servos that are over here on the arm. So it can extend out, and because it's keeping this parallel, you've got this motion that's basically maintaining this at parallel to the base of the robot. And then the final piece is a wrist joint on the end here, and this is actually controlled by a little analog servo. And that allows the robot to turn this suction lifter on the end and actually swivel around the payload that it has picked up. So you've got full range of motion, 180 degree arc. You've got a pretty good reach on that elbow joint, and then you've got the wrist joint to spin the item around.